Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll tell you how you can get the trending 333333 filter on TikTok. So let's start with the video. So this trending 333333 filter was created by the beauty and makeup artist named Cheska Liu. Before I tell you how you can get this filter on TikTok, let's hear it from Cheska Liu himself. What does this filter mean?
I created this filter based on the golden face ratio. So I divided the face to the three parts from the hairline to eyebrow and to the base of nose to the chin, each of them taking 1/3 of the face. But everyone had their unique beauty. You can use this standard to measure, for example, to finding your beautiness and to increase it, and also to minimize of your weakness. For example, I have very long, like middle age. That's why I like to put in some blushes on. But also you can also use this filter to highlight of your characteristic and just have fun with it.
So now, to get this filter, first open TikTok and go to search option and search Cheska Liu. After searching, you will see her profile on top. Go to her profile and then click on the filter section. Now here you will find the trending 333333 filter. Click on the filter, and now here you will find all the users who have used this filter, and now click on use this effect and make your video. So this is how you can get this filter on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay updated about all trending TikTok filters and trend videos.